All right, so I want to show you this. Anyways, maximizer, tool chest. I think it's a 1305 UC in blue. And what happened is, it just mysteriously locked on me one day. And no idea what happened. Key didn't work. Just kind of caught in a halfway lock position. And I've been monkeying with it off and on for a few days, just kind of looking around. And finally I managed to look down in the drawer rack, and I can see this. You can put as much torque as you want on a key. It wasn't gonna turn, it wasn't gonna do anything. So I was trying to get this thing open, and I could get a flashlight in there. There's no access anywhere. But what I found out is I took a wood saw, right there. And get my fingers out of the way, and I just jammed it. Well, didn't jam it. It slid in real easy, but I kind of took this angle right here. And this bar in the back, you just gotta bump it and it comes unlocked. So, literally, you can take this bar. What happens is this rod rotates, and then in the back, you can see this roller. All it does is push that to unlock. Right there. So if you can slide something in there, gap's pretty tight, but that saw worked perfect. You just bump that, and it comes unlocked. And you see, it's locked. Just touch that bar, and there you go. The whole reason this happened is in this incredibly expensive tool cart. You can see that they kind of just put some thin metal here, and then these little plastic tabs will push up into here, and that's it.